ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। अक्षर ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 868 with the help of Shruti, Anumana, which is Yukti, and Arthapatti. The Akshara Siddhi is being done here. Shruti is using this Vakya that we are discussing right now as Tatastha Lakshana for Akshara. And Anumana and Arthapatti, they are doing its Astitva Siddhi. Why is this required? Because the previous mantra 388 Astulamananu Ahrisvamadirgham, that mantra did the negation. Because Brahma Tattva or Akshara Tattva was revealed only by Nishedha, somebody will have Shanka that there is no such thing. Nisheda Mukhena, when something is revealed, for example, something which is not Shabda Pravritti Vishayam, Shabda Pravritti Nimitta Vishayam. It doesn't have Guna, Kriya, Jati, Sambandha, etc. So, Shunyam is also like that. Shunyam doesn't have Guna, Shunyam doesn't have Kriya, Shunyam doesn't have Jati, doesn't have Sambandha, doesn't have Rudi. So, whatever you say about Nirguna Brahma is true for Shunyam also. Asthulam Ananu, it is not Sthulam, Shunyam is not Sthulam. It is not Anu, Shunyam is not Anu. Ahrasvama, whatever you say for Nirguna Brahma will apply to Shunyam. Therefore, there is Ashanka that there is Shunya. This is exactly why in Upadesha Sahasri, we are seeing that something, if it is Shunyam, means if a person who is not an Astika, that person, if he listens to this Vakya, he will conclude this is the Lakshana for Shunya. The Shruti is revealing Shunya. So a person has to be convinced that no, there is some such thing which is a positive entity. That's why now Vidhimukha is used. But since we have already said that Vidhi cannot directly reveal Nirguna Brahma because it is Avachya. So it is Avachya, but you want to reveal it through some means. So that is why Tatastha Lakshana is used. And then all these Anumana and Arthapatti. So the last sentence that we saw in Tika was Anumana Arthapatti Bhyam Siddham Artham Upasamharati. with the help of anumanam and arthapatti, that if there is phalam, karma phalam upalabdham, karma phala upalabdhi is possible only if there is some phala dhata. So now see further. Purva Paksha has a shanka on this. Apurvasyaiva phaladhatritvat kritam ishwarena iti shankate. Apurvasyaiva phaladhatritvat. Apurva will give phalam. Why do you need Ishvara to give phalam? What is Apurva? 15 number tippani. Dharma dharma apara paryayasya. That which is dharma adharma apara paryaya. That will give phalam. You don't need Ishvara. Kritam. Kritam means vyartham. Nishprayojanam Ishvarena. Kritam Ishvarena means there is no prayojana siddhi through Ishvara. Iti shankate. Apurvam iti chet. So, apurvam here means the dana kartrunam phalena sanyojayita apurvam. Tri apurvam in this. Phalena sanyojayitri apurvam iti chet. Siddhanti says no. Tika. Swayam acetanam. चेतनाधिष्ठित चेतना अनधिष्ठितम चेतनानधिष्ठितम मीन्स चेतना अनधिष्ठितम च अपूर्वम फलदातृ न कल्प्यम अप्रामाणिकत्वात् इति परिहरति. Apurvam is swayam achetana, is jada, and it is not chetana adhishthita, it is chetana anadhishthita. Something can be achetana, but it has chetana adhishthana, it can be phaladhata. For example, ahankara, individual. Individual ahankara is jada, but it is having chetana as adhishthanam. So chetana adhishtitam, that can become phaladhata. But here it is swayam achetanam and chetana anidhishtitam. Such apurvam phaladhatru na kalpyam apramanikatvat, because it is not a pramanika kalpana. Iti pariharati na. Tad sadbhave praman anupapattehe. In its sadbhava, there is no pramanam. In whose sadbhava there is no pramanam?
Apurva.
Apurva. Tat sadbhave 6 number tippani says, Jivatmana chetanena adhishtitam tat phaladhatru syat. Jivatmana chetanena adhishtitam tat phaladhatru syat. Tat saditi. Further, Ishvara dveshi shankate. Ishvara dveshi means someone who doesn't believe in Ishvara. So those who are Mimamsakas or Sankhya, Anishwarvadis. Prashasturapi iti chet na. Prashastuhu. Prashastuhu api. Prashastuhu api means in Prashasta also there is no pramanam. If you say in Apurva there is no pramanam, in Prashasta also there is no pramanam. Sadbhave praman anupapattir iti sheshaha. Ishvarasya prashastuhu sadbhave praman anupapattihi. In this way you have to understand the Vakya. Pariharati na. Agamata Agama Tatparya Siddhatvat. Siddhanti says Agama Tatparya is in Shastra, is in Brahma. Agama is in Brahma. That Brahma is Nirguna. Shastra, it is Saguna. So, yeah. Which is the Agama? This Purva mantra is the Agama. That is what 7 number Tippani says. Purvokta Atma Mulaka Anumana Arthapatyoho Api Upalakshana. Purvokta Agama is Upalakshana for Anuman also, Arthapatya also. So, with the help of Agama means Shruti and Yukti, Anumana Arthapatya. This is the Tatparya in Ishvara. Tika. Katham Karya Parasya Agamasya Vastuparatvam iti Ashankya. Remember, this is not only for studying. Our attention should go there. If our attention doesn't go there, this is not serving the purpose, the Mukhya Prayojana. It is like somebody who is in the bookshop and he sells Upanishad and Brahma Sutra and at discounted price, Gita and other Prakarana Grantha. What does he gain? Where is his attention? On the sales. His attention is not on whether I am learning anything or not. So that is not going to take us anywhere. Our attention should go to this Akshara. And then more so as my own self. I am Akshara in this way. Tatham Karya Parasya Agamasya Vastuparatvam iti Ashankya. Karya Parasya Agamasya. 16 number Tippani is Prasiddha Vakya. Amnayasya Kriyarthatvad Anarthakyam Atadarthanam Tasmad Anityam iti Abhiprayavan Arekate. Abhiprayavan Arekate. Looks like that is the dhatu here. Rek dhatu shankayam. Bade Maharaj Ji has used rare dhatu. Rekate, rekete, rekante. Means to do doubt. So he is doubting now. That Amnaya is Kriya Paraka. You are saying Agama Tatparya is in Akshara. We know Agama Tatparya is in Karma. Karya Parasya Agamasya Katham Vastuparatvam. How is it Vastupara? Iti Ashankyaha Avochama hi Agamasya Vastuparatvam. We have already said this earlier. Where in so many places, starting from chapter 1 in Brahadaranyaka, in this Upanishad, in so many places. Karma vidhi vidhirhi phaladatra tirekena nopapadyate nacha karma ashutar vinashi kalantar bhavi phalanukulam tadarthapatti siddhe apurve katham mana siddhir ityashankya aha. कर्म विधिर ही फलदात्रातिरेकेण न उपपद्यते. कर्म विधि is karma vidhi means all the vidhi vakyas like swarga kamo yajeta. Without a giver of phalam, phaladatra atirekena vidhi na upapadyate. Nacha karma ashutar vinashi. Karma which is Ashutar Vinashi. Ashutar Vinashi means quickly it will perish. Kala na. In Kalantara, in future Kala, it cannot give phala. Tad arthapatti siddhe apurve katham mana siddhir ityashankya aha. Tat means tasmat. If you have to do arthapatti, रात्रि भोजनम विना तीनत्वम अनुपपन्नम. Ashutar prashastu vina, because we have to do siddhi. Our upapadaka is prashasta. So prashastu vina, like ratri bhojanam vina, prashastu vina. कालांतर भावी फलम अनुपपन्नम. कालांतर भावी फल अनुपपत्या प्रशास्तु सिद्धि. आशुतर विनाशी कर्म, कर्म which is perishing quickly, that karma cannot give phalam which will come in future. Kalantar bhavi phala. So tad arthapatti siddhe apurve katham mana asiddhi, Purva Pakshi will say, this kalantar bhavi phala that we know, karma phalam is going to be only in future. Tad arthapatti siddhe. So ashutar vinashi karma will not give kalantar bhavi phala. It is not kalantar bhavi phala anukulam. Based on that arthapatti siddhi, apurva katham mana asiddhi riti ashankyaha, Siddhanti says, kincha anyad apurva kalpanayam cha arthapattehe kshayo anyatha eva upapatte. If you do some anya apurva kalpana, arthapattehe kshaya. Kshaya means ईश्वरम आदाय एव चारितार्थ्यम. Arthapatti will culminate only in Ishwar Siddhi. Ishwaram Adaya Eva Charitartham Charitarth. Tadeva Spashtayati Anyatha Eva. Anyatha Eva means Anyatha api. Apurva Atirekena api Phala Praptehe. Siddhanti says, without any Apurva Siddhi, we still get Phalam. And that Phalam is through Ishvara Prashasta, whose Siddhi is done by Agama. So actually in Veda, there is no Apurva as a Vastu. Mimamsakas, they do Kalpana of Apurva because they know Karma is Anityam, Phala is Kalantar Bhavi. So now Anitya Karma Phalam and Anitya Karma and Phalam comes in Bhavishya. What will prompt this Karma to come up to here? So they do Kalpana, some Apurva is there. Karma will produce Apurva, Karma will perish. Now Apurva will give you Phalam later. We say that is Chetan actually. It cannot be Jada Padartha. That Chetan Padartha is Ishvara. न केवलम सद्भावे प्रमाण असत्वम एव अपूर्वे दूषणम किंतु अन्यच्च किंचिद अस्ति इति यावत् तदेव प्रकटयति. अपूर्व कल्पनायाम च अर्थापत्तेः. Not only न केवलम सद्भावे प्रमाण असत्वम. In अपूर्वस्य सद्भाव there is no pramana. This is one. Praman asatvam eva apurve dushanam. So this is one dushanam. another dushanam is also there. Kintu anyacha. What is that? This arthapatti can culminate only in Ishvara. So, अपूर्वस्य कल्पन ठीक है अपूर्वस्य कल्पनायाम या अर्थापत्ति ही शंक्यते तस्याः कल्पितम अपूर्वम अंतरेण अपि उपपत्तेः क्षयः स्यात् इति योजना. He explains what he said in भाष्य. अपूर्वस्य कल्पनायाम, if you do अपूर्व कल्पना, that if you do arthapatti, that arthapatti kalpana will actually culminate only in apurvam antarena, other than apurva. And it is possible. Upapattehe kshaya syat iti yojana. What is that anyatha upapatti? He explains. Anyatha upapattim vivranoti. Seva phalasya sevyat prapti darshanat. Seva phalam you will get only from the one who is your savior, for whom you do seva. So if the seva is for, means if the karma is for Ishvara, Ishvara will give phalam. So they are not going to accept. They say phalam is not for Ishvara, phalam is for me. टीका यागादि फलम अपि ईश्वरात् संभवति. Just as seva phalam is available from savior. A sevaka, if he does seva, his Swami knows how much seva he has done and he will give the phalam. Yagadi phalam Ishwarat sambhavati. It is possible only through Ishvara. Siddhanti is arguing in this way. 10 number tippani. तथा च अदृष्टम अंतरैव अर्थापत्ति ही उपक्षीणा इति भावः. So this adrishta kalpana you don't have to do. Arthapatti kshaya will be in Ishvara. Katham Ishwaradhina yagadi phala prapti. Now Purvapakshi is asking, how do you say yagadi phalam is dependent upon Ishvara? What is the sambandha? सेवायाश्च क्रियात्वात् तत्सामान्याच्च यागदान होमादीनां सेव्यात् ईश्वरादेः फल प्राप्ति उपपद्यते. सेवा इज ए कर्म, सेवायाः च क्रियात्वात् तत्सामान्यात्. जस्ट एज सेवा इज कर्म, इट इज सेवा मीन्स ही इज गिविंग एग्जांपल ए लौकिक कर्म. यागादि इज वैदिक कर्म. सो इन सेवा is a laukika karma, it has kriyatva. Yaga, dana, homa, they also have kriyatva. Kriyatva samanyat. Sevyat ishwaradehe phala praptihi upapadyate. From Savior, Ishvara, phala prapti one will get. Siddhanti is accepting that Savior is Ishvara. Purvapakshi, who doesn't believe in Ishvara, how will he say my savior is Ishvara? He will say I am doing it for myself. I don't have Ishvara as my savior. सेव्य आदि in भाष्य it is सेव्यादि ईश्वरादे है. सेव्य आदि like ईश्वर आदि. what are आदि? टीका आदि पदेन इंद्रादि देवता. If somebody says, okay, I don't believe in Ishvara, do you believe in Indra? Do you believe in Varuna, Prajapati, etc.? Yes. So in Gita, Bhagavan says, I only give phalam to those devatas give phalam to these people. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha, then
श्रद्धयार्चितुमिच्छति तस्य तस्याचलां श्रद्धां तामेव विदधाम्यहम्।
विदधाम्यहम्। तस्य तस्य अचलां श्रद्धां ताम एव विदधामि, अहम एव विदधामि, I only give that phalam. So if devatas give something, devatas don't have power. I have made them equipped to give the results. विमता विशिष्ट ज्ञानवता दीयमान फलवती विशिष्ट क्रियात्वात् संप्रतिपन्नवत् इति भावः अनुमानम्. विमता विशिष्ट ज्ञानवता, दिस यज्ञ दान आदि क्रिया, होम यज्ञ दान होमादि क्रिया, 11 नंबर टिप्पणी, हाँ यागादि क्रिया इज विशिष्ट ज्ञानवता दीयमान फलवती. व्हाट इज द साध्य?
विशिष्ट ज्ञानवता.
विमता इज यागादि क्रिया. ओके, व्हाट इज द साध्य? What is Vishishta Jnanavata? Vishishta Jnanavan, by that Vishishta Jnanavata Ishwarena Diyamana Phalavati. Complete thing is Sadhya. Vishishta Jnanavata Ishwarena means Ishwarena we will say Diyamana Phalavati. Phalavati ka फलवती का यागादि क्रिया. यागादि क्रिया विशिष्ट ज्ञान फलवती. Everybody understood what is sadhya?
Yes, Swami.
विशिष्ट in Hindi if you want to say, विशिष्ट ज्ञान वाले के द्वारा फल देने वाली क्रिया दीयमान फलवती. दीयमान इज कर्मणि शानच. विशिष्ट क्रियात्वात् because it is विशिष्ट क्रिया. संप्रतिपन्नवत् like संप्रतिपन्न क्रिया, both of them they agree on this इति भावः. इतश्च अपूर्व कल्पना न युक्ता इत्याह. So संप्रतिपन्न क्रिया is like the seva kriya. Seva is also kriya and it is given by Vishishta Jnanavata Diyamana. It is given by someone who has Vishishta Jnanam, who is a savior. So like that, Yagadi Kriya also will be given by someone who has the knowledge of Yaga, someone who has the knowledge of what phalam should be given to this person, how accurately the yaga was done, what was the truti, what was the shortcomings in the yaga, what kind of dravya was used, what kala it was, because based on everything, if it is a Vishesha kala, you will get more phala. If it is Vishesha desha, you will get more phala. Like how danam on other day in general to anyone is different, but the same danam on Grahana or Makar Sankranti, etc., Punya Kala, in Punya Desha, you will get Adhika Phalam. So, who will decide who will get how much Phalam? And what was the bhavana, attitude of the person when they gave? Were they expecting something in return or it was Niswartha, Nishkama? Who will know? Yaga will not know. Some Apurva will not know all these things. They are Jada. All this in Ishvara Siddhi in Kenopanishad Vakya Bhashya is elaborated before third chapter. Itasya apurva kalpana na yukta. For this reason also apurva kalpana is not yukta. Why? दृष्ट क्रियास धर्म सामर्थ्यम अपरित्यज्यैव फल प्राप्ति कल्पना उपपत्तौ दृष्ट क्रिया धर्म सामर्थ्य परित्यागो न न्यायः. दृष्ट क्रिया धर्म सामर्थ्यम अपरित्यज्य. सो दृष्ट क्रिया धर्म सामर्थ्य फल प्राप्ति कल्पना उपपत्ति दृष्ट क्रिया धर्म सामर्थ्य परित्यागो न न्याय. परित्याग is not न्याय, is not युक्ति युक्त. इन हिंदी देह विवरण क्रिया के दृष्ट धर्म रूपी सामर्थ्य का परित्याग नहीं करके फल की कल्पना संभव होने पर दृष्ट क्रिया के धर्म रूपी सामर्थ्य का परित्याग युक्ति संगत नहीं है. इन टीका you see they have explained. दृष्टम सेवाया धर्मत्वेन सामर्थ्यम सेव्यात् फल प्रापकत्वम. सामर्थ्य is in what? In seva. सामर्थ्य अन्वय you have to do with सेवा. दृष्टम सेवायाः धर्मत्वेन सामर्थ्यम. सेवायाः सामर्थ्यम. What is this सामर्थ्य of सेवा? सेव्यात् फल प्रापकत्वम. This is the सामर्थ्य. This is the dharma of seva. Dharma means this is the swabhava. Sevaniष्ठ dharma rupam. The swabhava of seva is to make sure the phalam comes from sevya. Sevyat phala prapakatvam. Tad anusritya danadau phala prapti sambhave. If we follow, then danadi phala prapti is sambhava. Annirasena, you negate that and apurvat tat kalpana, and you do kalpana that from apurva I will get the phala instead of the sevya. So that is what Bhashya Vakya said. Drishta kriya dharma samarthyam. This is kriya dharma samarthyam. What is kriya dharma samarthyam? To give sevyat phala prapti. Aparityajaiva, that dharma samarthya you don't give up, and phala prapti kalpana, if you do phala prapti kalpana upapattau, then the drishta kriya dharma samarthya parityaga you are doing, which is not yukti yukta, na nyaya. Nyaya. Somebody else tell the sutra. Some new person who are studying.
Dharma patyartha nyaya dana pete.
Correct. Dharma patyartha nyaya dana pete. Na nyaya. Tika continuing that sentence. न न्याया दृष्टानुसारिण्याम कल्पनायाम तद विरोधी कल्पना योगात् इत्यर्थः. तद विरोधी कल्पना योगात्. So if you do nirasa of Ishvara and do some apurva kalpana, you are actually going against the swabhava of seva, means swabhava of that karma. Tad virodhi kalpana योगात् इत्यर्थः। अपूर्वस्य फल हेतुत्वे दोषांतरम आह। इफ यू गिव अपूर्व इज फल हेतु, फल हेतुत्वम इज इन अपूर्व, in that doshantaram is there. Kalpanadhikyach, you are doing additional kalpana, means there is a gaurava dosha in your kalpana. What is that? Adhikyam tad adhikyam vaktum paramrishati. Ishwarah kalpyo apurvam va. Ishwara is kalpya और अपूर्व इज कल्प्य। ठीक है, न अपूर्वम कल्प्यम क्लुप्तत्वात् तन्न कल्पनाधिक्यम इति आशंका। पूर्व पक्षी will say अपूर्व is not कल्प्य, is क्लुप्त, is सिद्ध। क्लुप्त means सिद्ध, is not कल्प्य, so that is not कल्पनाधिक्यम। सिद्धांत says तत्र क्रियायाश्च स्वभावः सेव्यात् फल प्राप्तिर दृष्टा न तु अपूर्वात्, न च अपूर्वम दृष्टा। सेवा फल प्राप्ति is from सेव्य, it is not from सेव्य। means you should also remember सेव्य word is not only a substitute for apurva, it is something who is chetana, and in that field, whatever that field is, it is sarvajna. In that area it has to know everything before giving phala. So since Ishvara is karma phaladata for all kinds of karma, therefore it is sarvajna. Apurva cannot be that. Natu apurvat. And apurvam, nacha apurvam drashtam. There is drashtam means in Veda, apurva is not prasiddha. See 1 number tippani. Apurvam api loke Vede pramanikam na drashtam. Because it is not pramanika, therefore you are doing kalpana only. व्यवहार भूमि ही सप्तम्यर्थः। तत्र, तत्र is सप्तमी। तत्र व्यवहार भूमौ, when we are figuring out what is kalpana adhikyam, so this is the saptami. In that, kriya swabhava is to give phalam from sevya. Bhumikam kritva kalpanadhikyam sputayati. Now he has already given the background bhumika. Now he shows what is kalpanadhikyam. तत्र अपूर्वम अदृष्टम कल्पयितव्यम तस्य च फलदातृत्वे सामर्थ्यम सामर्थ्यते सति दानं वा च अभ्यधिकम इह तु ईश्वरस्य सेव्यस्य सद्भाव मात्रम कल्प्य न तु फलदान सामर्थ्यम दातृत्वम च। In your case, Siddhant is telling Purvapakshi, you will have to do first apurvam or adrishtam kalpayitavyam first. You will have to do kalpana of that. Adrishtam means for which there is no pramanam, nishpramanam, apurvam kalpayitavyam. Second, it has phaladana samarthyam. Phaladatritve tasya samarthyam. You will have to do kalpana. Third, samarthyat sati danam cha abhyadikam. And then it has samarthyam and it will give also. So 3 kalpanas you will have to do. In our case, 1 kalpana. Ihatu Ishwarasya Sevyasya Sadbhava. Ishwara's existence. The Phaladana Samarthya kalpana we don't have to do. Why? It is Shastra Siddha. Phaladana Samarthyam or Datritvam, that we don't have to do Anumana. So our kalpana is Ladhava. टीका अपूर्वस्य अदृष्टत्वे सति इति यावत्. Apurva is adrishta, it is never seen, not known. Iti kalpana adhikyam iti sheshaha. Twan mate api tulya kalpana. Purva Pakshi will say, in your mata also there is similar kalpana. They say, no, we have only one kalpana. Swapakshe dharmi matra apyam. In our paksha, only dharmi kalpana. In your paksha, dharmi, dharma, both kalpana. Swapakshe dharmi matra pakshyam. Tasmat phalam atah upapattehe, this sutra. Phalam atah upapattehe, 3 to 38. Iti nyayana. Ataha means from Ishvara phala or from Brahma. Actually, that is the word used. From Brahma you will get phala. Iti nyayana parasyaiva phaladatrata iti bhava. Paramatma alone will give phala. Dharminopi pramanikatvat na kalpyatvam iti abhipretya. And dharmi is pramanika. Therefore, actually you don't have to do kalpana for even Ishvara. Neither for dharma, in our case, you have to do kalpana, nor dharmi. Anumanancha darshitam dyava prithivyav vidhrute tishtata ityadi. Dyava prithvi, surya, sarmasau, kala, imesha, etc. They all are supported by Ishvara. That Ishvara is my Swarupa. In this way, you constantly reflect. That siddhi is being done. Ishwarastitve hetvantaram aha. Another hetu is given. Tathacha yajmanam deva ishwaraha santo jivanarthe anugata. Charu purodashadi upajivana prayojanena anyathapi jivitum utsahantaha kripanam hinam vrittim ashritya sthitas. Tacha prashastuhu prashasanat syat. Complete this. Yajmanam devaha ishvaraha santaha. This is the next part now. The last part in the mantra. Yajmanam devaha darvim pitaro anvayattaha. That. Yajmanam deva ishvaraha santaha. Yajmanam devaha ishvaraha santaha jivanarthe anugataha charu puranashadi upajivana prayojanena. So devata etc. they are also Ishvara means samarth. They have samarthya. Devaha ishvaraha samanadhikaranyam. Devatas, they have samarthyam, no doubt. But for their sustenance, they depend upon charu, purodasha, etc. Charu, purodashadi, upajivana prayojanena. Jivanarthe anugataha, Bahuvachan. For their sustenance, they strive through this. Through charu, purodash. Means Yajmana will do all these offerings, then devatas will be sustained. So devatas themselves are not capable of this also. Tika deva yajmanam anvayattaha iti sambandha. Devatas, they are yajmanam anvayattaha. They are dependent upon yajmana. Anu ayattaha, anvayattaha. Anugataha in Bhashya. See the next line in Bhashya. Tatha pitaropi tadartham darvim darvi homam anvayattaha anugata ityartha. Samanam sarvam anyat. Tika. Bhashya we completed. प्रयोजन अन्यथापि जीवितुम् उत्साहन्तः कृपणां हीनां वृत्तिम् आश्रित्य स्थिताः. They can sustain themselves otherwise, but they are अत्यंत हीन कृपण वृत्ति अत्यंत हीनां वृत्तिं कृपणां वृत्तिम् आश्रित्य स्थिताः. तच्च प्रशास्तुः प्रशासनात् स्यात्. Because Ishvara, his prashasana is like that. Devatas are also jiva. They also will live like other jivas with their limitations. ठीक है. जीवनार्थे जीवनम निमित्तीकृत्य इति यावत्. जीवनार्थे means for the sake of जीवनम, sustenance. देवानाम ईश्वराणामपि हव्यार्थित्वेन मनुष्याधीनत्व आख्याहीन वृत्ति भागत्वम. Devanam, even though they are, Ishwara means Samartha. Here Ishwara doesn't mean Saguna Brahma. Devatas are having Samarthya, but Havya Arthitvena, they expect Havya, they expect offerings in the Yaga, etc. Manushya Dhinatva Akhya Hina Vritti. What is that Hina Vritti? Manushya Dhinatva. Manushya Dhinatva Akhya Yasyaha Vrittehe Sa Vritti Manushadhinatva Akhya Hina Vritti. They become the receiver of this Hina Vritti. Hina Vritti Bhaktvam Devatayaha. Niyantra Kalpakam Ityarthaha. Yo na kasyachit prakrititvena vikrititvena va vartate sa Darvi Homa. Now what is Darvi Homa? He just explains that which is neither Prakriti nor Vikriti. Prakritittvena Vikrititetvam va na vartate. That is Darvi Homa. One type of Homa. The Pitris depend upon that. Devatas depend upon Charu Purodashadi. So they all are asamartha. How can they give any phala? They all are in that position only because of Ishvara. Samarthya is with that Ishvara. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.